Hello everyone, sorry about this lack of posting. I have been busy with school and I have been thinking incessantly about my future. I am on track to finish my degree in computer science and I have two paths I have been thinking of veering towards. I want to be a cryptographer and also work with software like JBoss and Snort. I guess I want to do some cybersecurity as well. However, I am currently pursuing a data science track. The money is good for data science, but I do not want to sacrifice not pursuing my dreams. The thing is, I could do cryptography as a pastime while finishing my degree in data science. But I am unsure what career I want to be in. I do not want to be a code monkey and feel monotonous. I want to do things that interest me and cryptography does. What do you guys think?